Watch this. Before it's too late, not later, not when you feel ready, not when it's convenient, now. Because the truth is, you don't have as much time as you think. And that's not meant to scare you. It's meant to wake you up. Because somewhere along the way, you started living like time is unlimited. Like there's always tomorrow. Like you can always start later, fix things later, become better later. But later is the most dangerous lie you tell yourself. Because later slowly turns into never. Think about it. How many times have you said, I'll start tomorrow. I'll change next week. I just need a little more time. And then what happened? Nothing. Not because you don't want change, but because you keep delaying it. And every delay costs you something. Time, energy, opportunities. The version of you that could have existed by now. That's what makes it serious. Because you're not just wasting time, you're losing potential every single day. And the scary part? You don't feel it happening. There's no alarm, no warning, no moment where everything suddenly stops. It just slips away quietly while you're busy being comfortable, while you're distracted, while you tell yourself, this is fine. But deep down, you know it's not. That feeling in your chest, that discomfort, that quiet voice that keeps coming back, it's not random, it's not weakness, it's awareness. It's the part of you that knows you're meant for more, but awareness without action changes nothing. You can know exactly what you need to do and still stay the same. That's what most people do. They understand, they agree, they feel motivated, and then they go right back to their old habits. Because change is hard, real change, not temporary effort, not short bursts of motivation, but consistent daily action. That's what people avoid because it's uncomfortable. It requires discipline, and discipline means doing things you don't feel like doing. That's where most people stop. They wait to feel ready. They wait to feel motivated. They wait for the perfect moment, but that moment doesn't exist. It never has. No one feels ready. People who succeed, they act anyway. They move anyway. They show up, even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. And that's the difference. Not talent, not luck, not intelligence. Consistency, doing what needs to be done over and over again, even when it's boring, even when it feels pointless, even when results don't show immediately, because results take time, and most people quit before they see them. That's why they stay stuck, not because they can't change, but because they don't stay consistent long enough. They start, they stop, they restart, they stop again, and that cycle keeps them exactly where they are. Meanwhile, time keeps moving, opportunities pass, life keeps going, and one day they look back and realize nothing changed. You can know exactly what you need to do and still stay the same. That's what most people do. They understand, they agree, they feel motivated, and then they go right back to their old habits. Because change is hard, real change, not temporary effort, not short bursts of motivation, but consistent daily action. That's what people avoid because it's uncomfortable. It requires discipline, and discipline means doing things you don't feel like doing. That's where most people stop. They wait to feel ready. They wait to feel motivated. They wait for the perfect moment. But that moment doesn't exist. It never has. No one feels ready. People who succeed, they act anyway. They move anyway. They show up, even when it's hard. Especially when it's hard. And that's the difference. Not talent, not luck, not intelligence, consistency, doing what needs to be done over and over again, even when it's boring, even when it feels pointless, even when results don't show immediately, because results take time, and most people quit before they see them. That's why they stay stuck, not because they can't change, but because they don't stay consistent long enough. They start, they stop, they restart, they stop again, and that cycle keeps them exactly where they are. Meanwhile, time keeps moving, opportunities pass, life keeps going, and one day they look back and realize nothing changed, not because they didn't try, but because they didn't commit. And commitment is different. Commitment means you keep going no matter what, no matter how you feel, no matter how slow progress is. You don't quit. You don't go back. You move forward every day, even in small ways, because small actions done consistently create big results. That's how real change happens. Not overnight, but over time, and time is exactly what you're risking. Every time you delay, every time you choose comfort, every time you avoid what you know you should do, you're trading your future for temporary ease, and it feels harmless in the moment, but it adds up. It always does. So ask yourself, if nothing changes, where will you be in 1 year, 5 years, 10 years? Still saying, I'll start tomorrow? Still waiting? Still stuck? Because that's where this path leads, unless you interrupt it, unless you decide enough is enough. And that decision, it doesn't happen later. It happens now, in this moment, while you're watching this, because this is where it matters. Not after the video, not when you feel inspired, but right here, right now. You either choose to act, or you choose to stay the same, and staying the same has a cost, a big one. It cost you the life you could have lived, the person you could have become, the opportunities you could have taken, and the worst part, you'll always know that you could have done more, that you should have done more, that you had the chance and didn't take it. That's regret, and it doesn't come from failure. It comes from inaction, from hesitation, from waiting too long. So don't wait. Don't push this aside. Don't treat this like just another video, because it's not about the video. It's about you, your life, your time, your choices, and what you do next, because nothing changes until you do. Not your habits, not your results, not your future. You are the variable. You are the reason things stay the same, and you are the reason they can change. That's power, real power, but only if you use it, only if you act. So start, not big, not perfect. Just start. Do the thing you've been avoiding. Take the step you've been delaying. Make the decision you've been putting off, because action creates momentum, and momentum changes everything. It builds confidence. It builds discipline. It builds a new version of you, one that doesn't wait, one that doesn't quit, one that follows through. And that version of you, that's who gets results. That's who moves forward. That's who creates a different life. But it begins with one thing, a decision, right now, to stop wasting time, to stop delaying, to stop living below your potential, because you don't have forever. None of us do. And the longer you wait, the less time you have to change. So don't let this be another moment you ignore. Don't let this be another realization that fades away. Use it. Turn it into action. Turn it into change. Turn it into the moment Everything shifted because one day you'll look back at this and realize this was either the moment you took control or the moment you let it pass. Don't let it pass. Not this time, not again, because one day it really will be too late. And when that day comes, you won't wish you watched more videos. You won't wish you waited longer. You won't wish you stayed comfortable. You'll wish you started sooner. So start now while you still can.